I think what you have done is huge. You have done more with this book that you're doing than I did my training, and I spent $6,000 for my plasma pin course. It was 5,000. No, I'm sorry. It was $4,999. So $5,000. I'm excited about everything that you have done. You have done more so for this industry than it's not right. It's not right because she doesn't give the good, thorough training that we all need, because that is the reason why there's not a lot of successful people in this business. What you have done is huge.